Hello everyone. Today lesson we will build a simple application. Call it calculator. It's a basic mathematics application. So this is a command. Create a simple calculator. It's not counted within the code. So first of all we need an operator. So let's use it to enter the operator. After that we need the numbers. So first number first number number first number equal to the input first number first number. Okay, and second number. Also input function input. Let's use it to enter data. Okay, station second number. Okay, now we have the operator. We have the first name. We have second number. First number, second number, and now you can do this with two methods. We will see the first method, and you can see also the second method. You can use the if condition, specify which operation you can do with the operator. So if the operation entered by the user is addition, what we can do, we can do print, print the first number. So we have to ensure that the first number, as the two numbers, is integer. So we can do this by int and yeah, like int. Close the parenthesis. So we have to print here first number plus second number. Okay. Now ls operator equal is equal to instruction. Here we can print the instruction of the two numbers. First number minus second number. Okay. ls operator entry now equal to asterisk multiplication and multiplication of the two numbers. ls operator equal to the division. Now what we can print the division of the two numbers. Number here we print the division of the first number divided by the second number. Okay, and this is all the operators: addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. Else, else, what we can do, we can print operation must be 40. Okay, let's run the program to see if there is if any errors occur. I choose the operator. I choose the addition. Choose the addition here. First number 2, second number 5. Result is 7. It was perfectly. Let's rerun the program now. Let's choose a struct. First number is 55, second number is 45. The result is this result. Correct. So our program works perfectly now. What is the division? What is the second method that we can use? Here we can use the match statement. Match statement. Okay. Let's let's use the match statement. I will delete all the code here. Match statements begin with a match and use the operator here and specify the case. There is case. First case is when the operator is addition. So what we can do, we will print first number plus the second number. Okay. Second case. Second case is subtraction. The subtraction here. Subtraction here. We will print the subtraction of two numbers. First number minus the second number. Third case is when the operator is subtraction. Here, okay, we will print first number multiply with the second number. Okay, latest case is when the operator is division. The operator is division. So what we will print? We print in the console the division of the first number with the second number. Print and first number divided by the second number. Okay, let's run now the program to see the result. So choose the operator. I will choose the division now. Oh no, let me run the code. Use division. First number is 45, second number is 2. Result is 22. Okay, this is a simple application named calculator. We use two methods to create this calculator, the else if statement and the match statement. Thank you for watching.